Hi guys, good evening, welcome back to our channel. My name is Jovi and tonight we have my handsome fiance with me, guys. Special participation of a mic tonight. And yes, we're saying tonight, you heard that right. We're filming because tomorrow is going to be a big day for our little girl Paris. Paris is now 22 months old and tomorrow she's going to start childcare for the first time. So it is a milestone. Isn't it, Daddy?
It is.
Like, seriously, I've got Daddy here, guys, because I'm gonna cry already talking about it, because, you know, our baby Paris is like, you know, going to childcare, like going to school. And it's very, you know, it makes me emotional, guys, because, you know, she's my baby and she's now, I don't know, being independent.
No, she's going to school.
She's going to school. But yeah, guys, I need moral support. That's why Daddy's here. He was in bed already, guys, but I woke him up because I like, I need you to be with me in this video, and he's very supportive. That's why he's here. Thank you, Daddy.
Welcome.
But yeah, tonight's video we're going to show you what we pack in Paris's bag for childcare tomorrow. So this is what we got for Paris. What can you say about this bag?
Yeah, it's very pretty.
Pretty.
Very girly.
Yes.
What have we got on there? Dog?
I don't know, is that a dog?
Yeah, it's a little dog. Anyway, it'll do the job.
Yes, that's right. So this is what we got for Paris, guys. And then the very important thing that you have to put in this bag is, of course, extra clothing. So first one is this top paired with these pants. Because obviously kids, they're going to play a lot and then they might do painting and drawing and all that, so they might get dirty, so for sure they need to get their clothes changed. So the second pair is this one, because tomorrow is going to be a bit cool. I think it's only 21 degrees tomorrow, right, Daddy?
Yeah.
Did you check? Are you sleeping?
I did check, it's 21 degrees and rain.
Yeah. And this top. So yeah, guys, all of the clothings, well, basically everything here, I mark them all with Paris's name. So you can see that. That's very important, guys, because just in case they get misplaced or, you know, the wrong child will bring them home, then it's very easy to get returned to us. So yeah,
in case someone steals Paris's clothes.
But no one's gonna steal Paris's clothes. And then so that's the extra clothing. And also I'm gonna get Paris to bring this, guys, just a little blanket when she goes for a nap during the day. She'll be able to use this, but for sure the center will provide that. Yes,
definitely.
Yep. And then I'm gonna get Paris to bring this one, guys, because she likes this. She calls it bar.
That's right, a bar.
And she kisses it too. Right now. So yeah, I think Paris would love this to be with her when she goes to childcare. And then water bottle. And see, I marked it with Paris's name as well. Oh, yep, that's the one. So we are not going to put everything in this bag because the center is actually good. So Paris is going to, what's the name? Great
Beginnings in Notting Hill.
Yeah, Great Beginnings in Notting Hill. It is in Notting Hill, guys, because my office is in Notting Hill, so it's very close to me. I can drop her and pick her up so easily.
Yeah, so within 10 minutes from Mount Waverley.
Yeah, 10 minutes from Mount Waverley, where we're going to move into next month. So
Eastern suburbs of Melbourne.
Yes, that's right, Daddy. So guys, yeah, so we actually don't have a lot in this bag because the center is very good.
Sufficient.
Yeah, they are actually providing a diaper, nappies. They're providing wipes, of course, and most of all, yeah, they're providing food as well. So
And drinks.
yeah, food and drinks, and also the beddings, you know, like the bed and the blanket and everything. They provide them all, guys. So, you know, it's less stress for the parents because we don't have to worry about like, oh, what are we gonna put a nappy, how many nappies, how many wipes and all, because they provide it, which is really, really good. It's a big thumbs up for that, isn't that right, Daddy? Yeah, it's a big thumbs up. It's, yeah, that's what I like. But I don't know if all childcare do that.
No, I think they do.
All the childcare? Really? Oh my
I think so.
Well, there you go. Well, guys, this is the first time that Paris goes to childcare, so everything is new to us. And yeah, so yeah, it's, I can't believe that she's actually going tomorrow, guys. Everything's packed here. And how do you feel, Daddy? Our little girl going to school and tackle life.
Yeah. No, I'm really excited for her. I think she'll really enjoy it. It's really good for her to socialize with other kids and learn new skills. Hopefully she starts eating.
Yes,
Yeah,
guys.
I'm excited for her. I think she's going to be bored at home all the time.
Yeah, I think she's gonna do great there.
Of course she will.
Yeah, at the moment she doesn't have like a, you know, a set routine as yet, but hopefully when she goes to childcare she'll learn things. And yeah, especially the food. God, she's very fussy. She doesn't eat a lot.
Just like this one.
Yeah, yeah, I really hope that she will pick that up from childcare.
She will.
Yeah. So are you proud of her?
Of course I am.
Yeah, I'm very proud of her. And yeah, for sure by the end of this week she'll be like, yeah, Mom, I want to stay at childcare. I don't want to go home. But yeah, she'll be at childcare from 7 in the morning, and then when I finish work at 4 o'clock, then I go pick her up. So she'll be there in total of, I don't know, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 9 hours?
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, 9 hours. 9 hours per day. And yeah, so with the cost as well at childcare, guys, this one, particularly the Great Beginnings in Notting Hill, they charge 137 Australian dollars a day. We're putting Paris 3 days a week. And luckily in Australia we have Centrelink, which is very helpful because they provide help and they call it subsidy.
Yeah, so they subsidize the total cost by a percentage, which is based on your annual housing income. So essentially, if you're rich, you get subsidized less, and if you're poor, you get subsidized more, and in the middle, etc., etc. So we're just in the middle
in
somewhere.
the middle. Yeah. So it's really good, guys, because we don't have to pay the full amount, right? Because we would hate doing that. You know, it's too expensive. Like, for, you know, you gotta think 137 Australian dollars a day, that is expensive. So, you know, very lucky. Thank you, Michael Turnbull. Is that Turnbull?
No.
Is that Turnbull?
No, it's Scott Morrison. ScoMo.
No, the new Prime Minister?
ScoMo. Scott Morrison.
Who's that?
The one that everyone wants to get sacked because of the bushfires.
Oh, okay.
Scott Morrison. Malcolm Turnbull was his predecessor.
Oh, okay. Yeah, right. Well, anyways, guys, I think it was talking crap, but overall, we're very excited for tomorrow. We have to get up early, and actually, I've got Paris's clothes here now. Clothes that she's going to wear tomorrow. Cuties. She's gonna wear jeans because it's going to be a bit cool tomorrow, as mentioned. But yeah, I'll try to vlog tomorrow, so I'll give you an idea how she is for the first day and all that. But thank you, Daddy, for being my guest tonight.
You're welcome.
I'll send you now back to bed.
No worries, just make sure you send me the commission.
Okay. Alright guys, that's about it for tonight's video. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section below. And then yeah, please give this video a thumbs up and tell them to subscribe, Daddy.
Subscribe or else.
Tell them to subscribe to our channel nicely.
Subscribe to
Please,
our
say
channel.
please. Say please.
Please.
Please subscribe to our channel, guys. We would really appreciate if you become part of this family. And I'll see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't, Daddy, you should have known it by now.
Be careful.
Good. You passed. Bye, guys.
Ciao.